everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Violence has also been reported in the last phase of the polling in Bengal since the morning of April 29. There are reports of bombs being hurled near the Mahajati Sabdan Auditorium in North Kolkata. It is being reported that bombs were hurled near Mahajati Sadan on Chitranjan Avenue, targeting the vehicle of BJP candidate Meena Devi Purohit from Jodansang assembly seat. In this, the BJP candidate narrowly escaped. There is no news of any loss to them. The Election Commission has sought detailed information about the incident. On the other hand, sporadic violence is also reported in Murshidabad and Malda district. Bombing is also reported in Domkal area of Murshidabad. This area has always been notorious for political and electoral violence. Bombing at Suri and Nanur in Birbhum. Bombing have also taken places in Siruri and Nanur in Birbhum district. It is being reported that the Trinamool Congress has threatened the booth agents of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Bombs have been denoted at booth number 281 in a survey. They are trying to scare the voters by showing pistol. Such an accusation has been made by the BJP. Meanwhile, the Trinamool Congress has denied the accusation. It is noteworthy that the Trinamool Congress Bahubali leader and party district president Anu Bharat Mandal has a lot of influence in the district. However, the election commission has detained him. The BJP agent is not being allowed to sit in the booth located at Prajapati School in Birbhum district. BJP candidates themselves have reached the booth. CPIM worker killed in Murshidabad district. A CPIM worker was allegedly killed before the election began. Local leaders have been blamed the Congress and Trinamool Congress for this.
Biofina, drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800-258-7060.
Vaccination took place at Kumardih Health Center in Niamatpur under Kulti Police Station of West Bardhaman district, where hundreds of people have been queuing up since the morning to get up the first and second dose of corona vaccine. People had to register for the vaccine, so people were fighting for the vaccine even in the sourcing sun. It is believed that the corona is being given a feast to the beat of corona. After a while, the situation becomes such that they try to push each other to ground and start arguing with each other. The incident was later reported at Niamatpur Fadi police. The police come to the spot and handle the situation. No officer of Kumardiha Health Center wants to say anything about this. Motion Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. Coordination Center has been opened by West Bardhaman District Administration. Every assistant will be given to COVID injection and infected people. Corona Coordination Center was also started by the district administration in West Bardhaman district following the instruction of the state home department. District Governor Anurag Srivastava said that the problem of beds in the hospital or the problem of oxygen corona patient deal with the problem ambulance service and telemedicine etc will get help from this center. For this one can call 0341 2253 650 and get help. Everyone has welcomed this initiative of the district administration. The ACRT Corona will provide free meal to the infected person or family in this hour of crisis. Asansol, Chirivali, Round Tall and Table India has taken the initiative to provide free food to the corona infected person or family from Asansol to Chirakunda. Let us know 12 hours in advance they will deliver the food to their house. Vegetarian food will be provided, that too completely free. Any infected or unaffected family from Asansol to Chirakunda can take advantage of it.
Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Prevention is better than cure. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hands regularly. Use sanitizer. Avoid contact with others. Wear mask. Avoid social gathering. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest by Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800 258 7060.
The TMC candidate attacked the CPIM worker who died at hospital while undergoing treatment, injured by the death of the activists. The CPI says that the campaign was stopped as per the instruction of the election commission, but bypassing the rules. Trinamool candidate Jafigul Islam was holding a rally in the consequently at 11 p.m. This was opposed, so he crushed two CPI worker with his car. Abdul Qadir, who was seriously injured in the accident, died at Murshidabad Medical College Hospital. There is an atmosphere of tension in the whole area after the incident. On the hand, on one hand, voting is taking place at on the other hand, additional number of policemen have been deployed. Violence has started in Birbhum district with the election in Bahuliti village of Nanur. BJP workers have been beaten with the butt of gun. It is alleged that TMC activities have threatened the villager with dry fire consequence if they go to the polls. On the other hand, BJP agents have also been beaten up in Belighat. Tension remained high at the Guards College polling station in the morning. Apart from this, bombing has taken place in Bejara village in Nanur of Birbhum district. Overnight, BJP workers have been accused of attacking the house of TAC polling agent Devdas Sarkar at polling station number 112. However, the BJP alleged that nothing like this has happened. If there has been violence anywhere, it has been done by the people of Trinamool Congress. Markets will not be closed for 3 days in Durgapur. U-turn of the chamber after the invitation of the administration. The decision to lock down all business establishment in Durgapur from May 1 to May 3 has been postponed on behalf of the Chamber of Commerce of Industry from Durgapur following instruction from the department administration. There have been some reports in the media of ASHA worker teacher not getting postal balloter following is clarified by the administration. One number all people involved by the administration in election work who will not be able to vote in their booth on polling day are eligible for postal ballot. All such person and facilitated to apply in the prescribed form. Their application is checked against the duty given by the and postal ballot is issued. Once postal ballot is released in their name, PB is marked against their name in a roll and they are ineligible to vote at the booth. These from to apply for postal ballot were accepted till 16th April. Postal ballots were issued either at training venue for they were sent by the post to those who were absent unavailable. These persons could deposit their postal ballot one a closed envelope either at facilitation center or it by post directly. Facilitation center were maintained at training center during second training and at SDO Asansol office. It was also done at DC. Postal ballots of those who did not take postal ballot envelope by hand at training venue were sent these by post. Last postal ballots were sent till 24th April. Other than facilitation center, postal ballots are only accepted through post. Any postal ballots received through dark will be accepted before start of counting on the counting day. We issued 10,890 postal ballots for polling person, 4,205 for other like ASHA, police, driver, Kalasi, etc. All this data has been shared with the political parties and they were invited to be present at the facilitation center. No other postal ballots application can submitted now or nor any postal ballot can be physically accepted. There are no facilitation center and postal ballots must be returned by the post. An election exit polls is poll of voters taken soon after a voter walk out after casting his or her vote. It is considered as an indicator to which party forms a government, unlike an opinion poll which asks for whom to voters plans to vote. An exit poll asks for whom the voter actually voted. Exit polls are conducted by a number of organizations. The ABPC Voter Exit Poll Survey has predicated a return to power for Mamata Banerjee-led Trinamool Congress for a third consecutive term in West Bengal with 152-64 seats in 294 seats assembly. In Assam, the India Today Access My India Voter Survey has predicted a return to the power for the BJP with 75 to 80 seats. The exit polls were released at around 7 p.m. Thursday after the polling for the 8th phase of West Bengal election concluded. The last phase of the election was held amid an unpredicted COVID spike. A total 35 consecutive spread across districts of Malda, Murshidabad, Birbhum, North Kolkata will decide the political fight of 285 candidates. West Bengal went to polls in the 8th phase, where as Assam had the 3 phase, all eyes would be on 294 seats. West Bengal Assembly were a straight constant and is expected between the ruling Trinamool Congress and main challenger BJP. The CPIM Congress ISF alliation is also expected to give a through fight to the BJP and TMC on some seat. In just to announce exit polls, all the eyes would be 294 seats. West Bengal Assembly, where a straight constant is expected between the ruling Trinamool Congress and main challenger BJP. The CPIM Congress ISF alliation is also expected to give a thou fight to the BJP and TMC on some seat. In Kerala, there is a district fight between the ruling CPI led LDF alliation and Congress led UDF alliation. The BJP is expected to give a tough fight in the some seat. In Assam, the ruling BJP is expected to face stiff challenge from the Congress. In Tamil Nadu, the ruling DMK Congress alliation would have hoped to upstage the ruling AIADMK slash BJP alliation from the seat assembly based on the impressive performance in 2019 Lok Sabha polls 444 at a time when patients are dying of storm in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra due to the lack of oxygen. A private oxygen manufacture company on Bihar Road in Salanpur block has been supplying oxygen for 24 hours. The number of workers has been increased due to the increased demand that oxygen is reaching Devghar in Jharkhand. SAIL steel mills some crowd and forward to produce liquid medical oxygen. Many private sector steel produced or factories in the country have also joined and the effort. This liquid therapy oxygen LMO is used in the treatment of patients with corona. In the last few weeks, coronavirus infection have spread rapidly across the country, leading to the lack of oxygen. SAIL steel plants come forward to produce liquid or medical oxygen. Many private sector steel producers or factories in the country have also joined the effort. This liquid healing oxygen LMO is used in the treatment of patients with corona. Let us hear Asmus from News Movement. Love yourself enough to take the action required for your happiness, enough to cut yourself loose from the drama filled past, enough to set a high standard for your relationship, enough to feed your mind and body in healthy manner, enough to forgive yourself, enough to move on.